21st century has witnessed the remarkable rise of drones. Once confined to military operations, they now permeate countless industries. One of their most transformative applications lies in environmental restoration. BioDrones, as they are known, are revolutionizing how we approach reforestation and ecological healing. These remarkable devices demonstrate the power of technology to address pressing environmental challenges. Deforestation, biodiversity loss, and climate change are global concerns that demand innovative solutions. BioDrones offer a beacon of hope in this critical fight for our planet's future. The genesis of biodrones can be traced to the urgent need for effective reforestation. Traditional tree planting methods, while valuable, are often slow and labor-intensive. They struggle to cope with the scale of deforestation. BioDrones offer a solution. These autonomous devices can plant trees with speed and efficiency, reaching even the most remote and challenging terrains. The vision behind BioDrones extends beyond simple tree planting. They represent a commitment to restoring entire ecosystems. By carefully selecting and deploying native species, BioDrones aim to rebuild habitats and enhance biodiversity. BioDrones are a marvel of engineering, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technologies. Their operation begins with mapping the target area using LiDAR and hyperspectral imaging. This creates a detailed three-dimensional map of the terrain, identifying ideal planting locations. Artificial intelligence then steps in, analyzing data on soil health, sunlight exposure, and moisture levels. This ensures that each seed is planted in the optimal spot for survival and growth. The BioDrone seed pods are themselves miniature marvels. Biodegradable and packed with nutrients, they provide each seed with the best possible start in life. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and urban sprawl, is a major contributor to climate change and biodiversity loss. BioDrones offer a powerful tool in the fight against this global crisis. Their ability to rapidly plant large numbers of trees in a targeted manner makes them ideal for restoring degraded landscapes. Whether it's a rainforest ravaged by fire or a hillside stripped bare by mining, BioDrones can help bring back life to these scarred ecosystems. By accelerating reforestation efforts, BioDrones help to restore vital carbon sinks, mitigating the effects of climate change. Section 5. Restoring biodiversity seed by seed. Biodiversity, the web of life that sustains our planet, is under threat like never before. The intricate tapestry of life woven over millennia is unraveling at an alarming rate. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation, is a leading cause of this crisis. Forests, which once thrived with a myriad of life forms, are being reduced to barren landscapes. This not only displaces countless species, but also disrupts the natural processes that purify our air and water. BioDrones offer a ray of hope. These innovative machines are designed to plant seeds in areas that are difficult to reach by traditional means. Equipped with advanced technology, they can cover vast areas quickly and efficiently, ensuring that no part of the forest is left untouched. By planting a diverse range of native species, BioDrones help to restore the intricate balance of nature. Each seed is carefully selected to ensure it thrives in its specific environment, promoting a healthy and resilient ecosystem. As these young plants grow, they provide habitat and food for a variety of wildlife, fostering a thriving community of life. This not only benefits plant and animal life, but also has positive implications for local communities who rely on healthy ecosystems for their livelihoods. Sustainable harvesting practices ensure that resources are available for future generations, creating a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. The BioDrones' focus on biodiversity sets it apart from traditional reforestation efforts, which often rely on monoculture plantations. Monocultures, while easier to manage, lack the resilience and ecological benefits of a diverse forest. By prioritizing biodiversity, BioDrones help to create forests that are not only more beautiful but also more robust and capable of withstanding environmental changes. The journey to restore our planet's biodiversity is a long one, but with the help of technology like BioDrones, we are taking significant steps in the right direction. Each seed planted is a promise of a better future, a commitment to preserving the natural world for generations to come. As we watch these forests come back to life, we are reminded of the resilience of nature and the power of human innovation. Together, we can restore the balance, seed by seed. Section 6. BioDrones and the fight against climate change. Climate change is arguably the greatest challenge facing humanity in the 21st century. The impacts are far-reaching, affecting ecosystems, weather patterns, and human livelihoods. From the melting ice caps in the Arctic to the raging wildfires in Australia, the evidence of climate change is all around us. Flooded areas, once thriving communities, now lie submerged, a stark reminder of the urgency of the situation. The need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions is paramount. Industrial activities and congested city traffic are major contributors to the greenhouse gases that blanket our atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. The consequences of inaction are dire, with potential for more extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, and severe impacts on food and water security. BioDrones offer a nature-based solution. These innovative drones are designed to plant seeds in deforested areas, accelerating the process of reforestation. By flying over vast tracts of land, they can plant thousands of seeds in a fraction of the time it would take humans. This not only speeds up reforestation efforts, but also ensures that areas that are difficult to reach by foot are not neglected. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Through the process of photosynthesis, they convert this carbon dioxide into oxygen, which is essential for life on Earth. A single mature tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year, making forests one of our most valuable allies in the fight against climate change. By rapidly increasing forest cover, biodrones can play a significant role in mitigating climate change. The time-lapse of forest growth shows the potential of these drones to transform barren landscapes into lush, green forests. This rapid reforestation not only helps in carbon sequestration but also restores habitats for wildlife, promoting biodiversity. This, combined with their ability to restore biodiversity, makes them a valuable tool in the fight for a sustainable future. Biodiverse forests are more resilient to diseases, pests, and the impacts of climate change. They provide a home for countless species of plants and animals, many of which are crucial for maintaining ecological balance. As the world transitions to a low-carbon economy, biodrones offer a tangible example of how technology can be harnessed for environmental good. They represent a fusion of innovation and nature, showing that we can use advanced technology to heal the planet. By investing in and deploying biodrones, we take a significant step towards a greener, more sustainable future for all. Section 7. Challenges on the horizon. Despite their immense promise, biodrones are not without their challenges. Ensuring seed viability in different climatic conditions is an ongoing area of research. Scaling up production to meet global demand is another hurdle. There are also ethical considerations surrounding the use of autonomous technology in environmental management. Addressing these challenges will require collaboration between scientists, engineers, policymakers, and local communities. Open dialogue and responsible innovation are essential to ensure that biodrones reach their full potential. Section 8. Envisioning the future of biodrones. The future of biodrones is brimming with possibilities. Imagine swarms of these autonomous devices working in concert to reforest vast areas with incredible speed and precision. Integration with satellite technology and advanced sensors could allow for real-time monitoring of forest health, enabling early detection of pests and diseases. The use of artificial intelligence could be further enhanced to select the most suitable tree species for specific locations, maximizing carbon sequestration and biodiversity benefits. As the technology continues to evolve, the potential applications of biodrones are limitless. Section 9. A testament to human ingenuity. Biodrones stand as a testament to human ingenuity and our capacity for innovation. These remarkable devices are not just a product of advanced engineering, they are a beacon of hope in our ongoing battle against environmental degradation. In a world where deforestation and habitat loss are rampant, biodrones offer a glimmer of optimism. They are designed to reforest areas that have been stripped of their natural vegetation, bringing life back to barren landscapes. In the face of environmental challenges, biodrones provide a powerful symbol of hope. They are equipped with the capability to plant thousands of trees in a single day, a task that would take humans weeks or even months to accomplish. This efficiency is crucial as we strive to combat climate change and restore ecosystems. The sight of young saplings taking root and growing into robust trees is a testament to the potential of these drones, demonstrating that we can harness technology to heal our planet. BioDrones are a collaborative effort between scientists, engineers, and environmentalists. Their development and deployment require a multidisciplinary approach, combining expertise in robotics, ecology, and environmental science. This collaboration is a shining example of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. As we move forward, it is essential that we continue to support the development and deployment of such sustainable solutions. The future of our planet depends on it. BioDrones are not merely a technological marvel, they represent a paradigm shift in how we approach environmental conservation. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, we can address some of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. The transformation of barren land into lush greenery is a powerful visual reminder of the impact these drones can have. It is a call to action for all of us to support and invest in innovative solutions that can help heal our planet. They're a symbol of our commitment to leaving a healthier, more vibrant world for generations to come. The sight of families hiking through reforested areas, children planting trees, and young ones gazing in awe at biodrones taking flight all serve as poignant reminders of what is at stake. It is about ensuring that future generations inherit a world that is not only livable but thriving. BioDrones encapsulate the spirit of innovation and the promise of a better tomorrow. They are a testament to what we can achieve when we combine human ingenuity with a deep respect for nature.